What's good, boys? Good morning. It is Saturday now. We have survived all the way to Saturday. It is 10:40 a.m. right now. I need to go get coffee in my system, meet up with Henry, and get some breakfast. So let's rip straight to Brickell, and then we'll get into the ride for the day. Bro, I feel so tired right now, and for like no reason. I wasn't even up that late. Horrible drivers today, bro. Yes, sir! Once that coffee's in my system, I'll be ripping. Damn, what are they getting ready for? The final stretch start line? Huh. Must be like running or some shit, bro. See if we can find a valet guy. Yeah. Is Vice City Bean in here? Who? Vice City Bean? Coffee shop?
I have no idea.
Nah, you good, bro.
No,
you good.
I don't think there's a coffee shop in there. Maybe there's a coffee shop in this building or something else.
Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Have a good one. Oh, there we go. So you stay, you be good boy. About to go complete the first mission of the day. Then we gotta figure out where Henry's at, because he said we're riding before the Rideout. Hi.
Last night.
Madam.
What tribe are you from?
Aloha.
Aloha, the last night the Korea yendo.
Hell yeah.
My friend,
What do I do?
it's $300.
Oh, nice dap. That was clean.
The last night Dominican is
The strong.
Dominican and Marlin Stadium winner.
She was like, oh,
Korea.
No way. Is that Matthias, the D1 snitch?
I got arrested.
You got arrested for what?
I have a sumo now, like a dirt bike.
Oh,
I was
shit.
At the gas station filling. Them boys.
Jumped out on you.
Yeah. You better keep us off the beach, mother.
What up, LARP? No. I don't lead the rides.
Hey, we're just doing what we're doing, bro.
That was Crown's fault.
That was so bad, bro.
That kid got cooked, bro. You cannot be out here wheeling with Birkenstocks on. What an absolute sin. Oh, yo, I'm gonna kill switching. Huh? Do something crazy. Oh, okay. Boop. Okay, I see you, bro. Miami Mike. Work time. Let's see some work.
Yo, bro, we cannot go to Miami Beach.
Oh, I know. Everybody's so afraid of Miami Beach now. Yes, sir! Bro, the Simpsons backpack matching the purple Surron is so tough. Tell him! Cut it up! Oh, yo, where did his back window go? And what's in his passenger seat? Sir? Yes, sir! Still up! Oh! Speed got to him. Oh, pedal bike kids in the wild. That's what's up. Yo, that's the sickest building in all of Miami, 100%. Little Ferrari type shit. Okay. Yes, sir. Ooh, that poor Rari just scraped, bro. Insane, no brakes at all, just balance, bro. That is so scary. Not for me. Everybody's just going dumb nuts up here. Tell him what you got. Bro, what? No way. He just pulled the one-way Vance. That was crazy. Do it again. Oh my God, bro, what? That is unreal. Yo, who showed up to an e-bike ride on a dirt bike? That's clearly against the rules. Naughty boy. Yes, sir. Let's see it. Tell him. Oh shit, bro. Those leaves are getting in my eyes. Oh, okay. Don't run the red and get macked by a car. Okay, 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 okay. We're moving faster than reality out here. Woo! Oh, okay. Okay, crown. Bro, the Ultra with the white plastics and the red. Oh, what? That was nasty. Bro, the pants matching the powder coat too. Dumb tough. Bro's got super clean work on that Ultra B. Bro, wheelies that thing like it doesn't know how to be flat on the ground. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey,
Bip it.
come on that side. Come on that side.
Do that again. That was not real. Bro, what? Yes, sir. Woo. Ooh. Hit a little obstacle course right quick. Type shit. Type shit. Type shit. PJ going crazy, bro. PJ is so underrated. Bro does not have enough followers for how crazy good he is on the bike. Car accident. Give the pig some space.
Oh shit.
Damn. Bro, that shit is cooked. Damn. That shit is cooked. Crazy, bro. Yo, that's actually an insane thumbnail. Bro's carrying a whole TV. Damn. What the hell? Bro, that was crazy. How is he carrying a whole ass TV on his bike? And where did he get a TV? That was a hobo, was it not? So much going on. I'm overstimulated. Miami is so unreal, bro. This place is such a movie. Straight up like GTA 6 already. IRL. Feels like I'm floating on a cloud, bro. Love that feeling. Best part about riding wheelies. The floating feeling. Feels so like freedom. Woo! Worming out. Let's watch the pack go by. Holy shit. Bro, this shit got so deep so fast. There's gotta be like 100+ bikes out here right now. Hella bikes, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I better go catch up. Uh-oh, not this again, bro. No, bro. What up, bro?
What is going on?
Bad kickstand sensor. Yeah, I gotta unplug it, though. Those people were like walking up on me over there, so I don't want to do anything. Yeah, just got to get somewhere more discreet, more low-key. All right, we out. Magic Johnson, Ian, banger. Bikes fixed, let's go. We in the hood. Damn, look at that SRT Jeep, bruh. Whoa, where did you just spawn in from?
I was gonna help push.
Fixed it. God damn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's some wild graffiti. Crazy. That side's abandoned and that side people still live in. Wild, bro. Huh? Huh?
There's cops behind us.
Oh, bro said there's cops behind us. I don't see them, and I doubt they're gonna be on today. We're not at the beach. Such a vibe, bro. It literally just feels like we're out here in GTA 6 pre-launch, building out our characters before we get to build them out in the game. I'll fuck with my character heavy, bro. Oh, that's the pack. Let's go. Yoo. Type shit! Yo, what? Oh, oh, oh. That was insane, bro. You almost died. Oh, 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 okay, okay. Okay. Tell him. Tell him. Yes, sir. Type shit. Type shit. Woo! Going dumb. Going dumb. Okay. Okay. first ride out of the day was a mission success. Had an absolute blast of a time, except for my kickstand sensor giving me hell for a little bit there. That was pretty scary. But back at the B&B now, charging up my bike over there. We're about to head to Brickell, go get some food and shit. And after that, we're gonna hit the movies. After the movies, we're hitting a yacht till 4 a.m. That's gonna be sick. Got to go LARP in Miami on a yacht, of course. Why would we not? And then after that, sleep and hit it again tomorrow.
Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands.